Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your ApoloSign digital calendar has stopped functioning properly, refuses to load information, or seems completely unresponsive, it can interrupt your daily schedule and family planning. Problems with the ApoloSign digital calendar can be caused by power interruptions, Wi-Fi issues, software glitches, or temporary synchronization failures. Fortunately, many of these problems can be resolved without complicated repairs or advanced settings. Before assuming that the device has failed, there are several simple troubleshooting methods worth trying. In this video, I'll guide you through a few easy steps that may help restore normal operation to your Apollo Sign digital calendar. Try these. Step 1. Check that the Apollo Sign digital calendar is receiving power and that the adapter is securely connected. Step 2. Verify that the ApoloSign digital calendar is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Restart the ApoloSign digital calendar to clear temporary software issues. Step 4. Disconnect the ApoloSign digital calendar from power for several minutes before reconnecting it. Step 5. Look for software updates available for the ApoloSign digital calendar and install them if needed. Step 6. Confirm that the ApoloSign digital calendar is displaying information and syncing normally again.